大家好，这里是第4届中国仿制药峰会的现场，我是来自 CPUK 制药在线的记者。这位是印度 Reva Pharma 的总经理Dr. Sandhu， 然后我们下面对Sandhu先生做一个采访。
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. I think it's great to be back in Shanghai and attend another of the next-gen conferencing of the UBM China. I have been associated with NextGen for the last 4 years, and I think it's contributing a lot across the China pharmaceutical industry and to the participants who are coming across the world. Okay, my colleague has asked a question to me on the global pharmaceutical industry and the generic industry. Now, on the global pharmaceutical industry, the industry is growing at around about 8% on an annual basis, with the growth happening in majority of the emerging markets. When I say the emerging markets, I mean countries like China, India, Brazil, Russia, Turkey, Korea, and smaller emerging economies like Vietnam. It is becoming very important that, yes, when we look at the generic industry, generic is actually offering an affordable drug. What I mean is by an affordable drug is that, yes, a certain population base across the world for which the innovative drugs are expensive, so there is available, the industry as well as the healthcare governments are making sure that, yes, they are getting affordable medicine across the markets. All right. Another very important issue which is coming across in the world today is how countries like India and China, they are playing an important role in the improvement and the growth of the pharmaceutical global industry. China, I would say, in the last 10 years has come up as a very, very important player in offering large-scale chemical-based manufacturing. The intermediate industry, specifically some specialized areas like fermentation technologies, bioresearch, biotechnology are the areas which are coming out of China. Whereas when we look at a country like India, India has grown substantially and is now catering down to not only the active pharmaceutical ingredients, which we term as API, but also to the finished dosage form. When I say the finished dosage form, yes, it's offering a complete gambit of products and supplying them to across the regulated markets as well as the emerging markets. So it's becoming a very, very important aspect that these two countries are the future in terms of the pharmaceutical growth which is going to happen and cater down to the emerging markets in terms of making an affordable medicine across the world. Another aspect which I would like to cover up today is contract manufacturing. How contract manufacturing is going to play a very, very important role for the big pharma. When I say the big pharma, I mean the innovator companies. Innovator companies here, let's take an example, for example, like a Japanese player like Meiji Seika, or we look at Shionogi, or we look at a player like Gilead in the US. Okay, for them to make the product affordable by making it a generic and to maintain the product life cycle, they have to look for contract manufacturing location or partners across the world, and that is where countries like India and China are playing a very important role, because they are helping them in offering partners, not only partners of credibility, but partnership where there is complete transparency, technology backup, and the capability to ensure that the technology which they are passing on is respected in every retrospect. So I personally feel that, yes, China UBM is going to play a very important role, and I really look forward to such sessions across India and China to cultivate the pharmaceutical industry, so that, yes, these two large population mass communities can get a better healthcare industry going forward. Thank you very much.